Artoonza.
Stop! Glitter rockets! Nail polish! Ever tried launching a rocket with glitter nail polish? Well, I did, and things got out of this world. First, we sketch a fire-breathing rocket preparing for liftoff, then pour glitter like it's space dust. But when my tiny vacuum showed up to clean the mess, total glitter chaos. And yes, nail polish happened. Blue, silver, everywhere. Don't tell my mom. Let's blast off to creativity and paint a rocket that even aliens might borrow.
Aw, so cute.
Look at that sparkle engine roar. Someone call SpaceX! Warning, excessive cuteness may cause spontaneous happy dances. This rocket is glitter-powered, scientifically chaotic. Give us your like. Oops, my glitter vacuum is working harder than mission control. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. This is so amazing. Number 1 has landed in the glitter galaxy. Time to sparkle up our rocket with blue bling that's shinier than a moon dance. Give us a big thumbs up.
So cute.
Number 2 zooms in with shiny silver power. It's so sparkly, even aliens need sunglasses. Nail polish launch activated. Ground control is panicking. Color, color, color. Don't be shy, color high. Number 3 goes full turbo, painting rocket heads red like they're blushing before launch. It's color drama at its finest. Who knew a bottle of polish could double as rocket fuel? Smash that like button now. Number 4 and number 5 say, swoosh! Rocket flames are bursting with orange and yellow firepower. That's what we call a paint-tastic blast-off. If aliens see this, they'll want a manicure before takeoff. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.